welcome to tonight's debate between the two IT providers looking to win this election. Let's meet our debaters. Representing the modern IT partner, we have Jamie from Everon switched on IT. And representing the traditional IT support approach, we have Henry. Let's dive right into the questions from our audience.
Can you both explain what services you provide to your clients?
So with all of our clients, we aim to become a trusted IT partner, and this means that we get to know your people, your processes, and your pains. Because of this, we actually look at the mechanics of our clients' businesses and how they work. This then allows us to take away as much of the pain as possible. For those elements where we don't quite have full expertise in-house, we also have a trusted partner network where we can make the right introductions to the right specialist at the right time. This allows us to cater exactly for your business's needs as and when you need them.
Our support is limited to business-only hours and scheduled regular maintenance checks. Unless things break, we don't really engage with our clients. Our sole aim is as little downtime as possible in the current IT environment.
Data security is crucial. How do each of you handle data security and compliance?
As we specialise in working with clients within regulated industries, we understand all of the requirements of your governing bodies and not just those standard GDPR requirements. Every one of our service offerings has been reviewed to make sure it meets and exceeds every one of those compliance obligations. And most importantly, we maintain those standards with our regular compliance reviews to make sure you're meeting and exceeding standards.
We only make sure our services cover GDPR requirements, so if you're managed by another governing body, our one-size-fits-all approach won't match. If you have a specific regulatory body, we won't know about the specifics that they need. We don't get involved with regular training for employees or advise on any best practices in your industry.
Response time is vital for us. What can we expect from your response times?
Well, while we work to industry standards for our kind of best responses and our resolution times, we actually learn the operational efficiencies and inefficiencies of a business. This means that we can triage more effectively when a problem comes in. One type of problem might affect a business more than another, so we can adjust and tailor our response times accordingly. As we're a modern day IT company, we offer more than just the traditional telephone and email support lines. From WhatsApp to Slack, all the way through to your own dedicated client portal.
For urgent issues, we try to prioritise, but we base our process on a standard policy that applies to all our clients' businesses. We can only be reached via email or telephone.
How can we trust you and your services? Can you provide references or case studies from businesses like ours?
Absolutely. We've been helping clients both locally and nationally for years. As a result, we can offer case studies, client testimonials, or even let you speak to our existing clients to help reassure you that we're the right IT partner for you. We also hold regular events, both in person and virtually, to help you get to know us and our other clients a little bit better. This can help you decide with the right provider for you before starting working with us.
We don't have many references or case studies available online, but we do have some Google and Facebook reviews. I can also tell you right now that we have a 95% client satisfaction rate.
How do you handle IT planning and strategy for growing businesses?
As we become a true partner to your business, we hold regular reviews with all stakeholders. This helps us address any pains and issues you might have now, but also align with your goals and objectives moving forwards. This holistic approach allows us to understand how technology fits into your entire organisation and its goals. This then gives us a better understanding of technology we should recommend or pains we need to address when we reach certain levels.
As our approach is mostly reactive, we add hardware and software as and when in response to an incident. We don't have a consistent plan for adjusting your support policies as your business grows. We will need to be prompted and asked to help as your requirements change.
Thank you, Jamie and Henry, for your insights. Jamie and Everon has clearly discussed the benefits of working with a forward-thinking IT partner, while Henry has revealed some of the issues we see with more traditional IT support companies. Ladies and gentlemen, voting to decide the next IT provider is now open. Choose the IT provider that will drive your business forward. Good night.